Hi, and welcome back to Josh and Babe. And welcome back to Josh, the cooking cop, and Babe, I cook for the cop. And welcome back to Josh and Bethany. And we still don't know what we're doing because
we're a freaking train wreck.
No, because we cannot decide.
On the proper intro.
Yep, but we need you guys to decide.
Ooh, but there's so much good stuff going on. So today's video is brought to you by our favorite wine company, Babe. Talk about it. It's so exciting. There we go.
Okay.
Thin Vine Wine. Babe, look at it. Look at the back of the bottle here. Hold on. I'm just ripping it out of your hand. I'm so excited. www.thinvine.wine. Put it on the screen. www.thinvine.wine. Babe, use code CookingCop. That's me.
Yeah.
Not you.
Not me.
That's me.
Just you.
That's me. Okay. Use code
Maybe
CookingCop.
I need a code called Babe to send out to my fans.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know about that, babe. But seriously, I'm slamming it down.
Don't break it. We gotta drink that.
Babe, we're making Asian, spicy, Mongolian beef on the Blackstone, little stir fry, little bit of homemade sauce over rice, paired with this delicious red vine blend California. So, our favorite wine company, Thin Vine Wine, they're first responders out of San Diego. If you order from them and use the code CookingCop, well, even if you don't use the code, well, you get a discount. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. If you order from them, they give back to first responders, they give back to military. They're really, really an awesome company. Like we said earlier, today we're going to be making a spicy Asian Mongolian beef stir fry thing on the Blackstone. We found a recipe. Babe's gonna tweak it a little bit over some rice. We're gonna make some white rice in the rice cooker.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be fantastic. We're gonna pair it with this California blend wine from our favorite wine company. And yeah.
It's gonna be great.
All right, without further ado, let's get cooking. Are you ready? And here we
go.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, so let's talk about our ingredients. Normally you would use like a Chinese cooking wine or like a dry sherry, but no, we're using that bad boy today. Some of the other ingredients you're gonna need is a little bit of sugar, black pepper, garlic, soy sauce. We love this because we went to the Hoi Fong factory. This stuff is great. But you could use any type of like sriracha, chili stuff, a little baby bit of cornstarch, 2 bunches. Babe, these are organic. Yeah. Green onions, 1 pound ground beef, of course your wine, a couple measuring cups, and some rice. And this is a really, really simple, easy recipe. And we'll get our beef together, we'll get our magic sauce together, and we'll get out on the Blackstone. So babe, that's the California blend. What do you think?
It's really good. It's got a little sweet to it. It's not super dry. It's a blend, but it's more on the Merlot side, I wanna say. Or maybe a Zin Merlot. It's really good. It's not too heavy.
What do you think, Alex?
I'm a wine snob. That's why I don't get overexcited and I don't look crazy because I'm actually processing what the flavors are, and this really is my first time tasting it. I really like it. It's really good. I think it's my favorite so far of what we've tried.
Yeah.
This is very good. Yes.
How do you think it's gonna pair?
I really like it. It's good.
How do you think it's gonna pair with the spicy Mongolian ground beef?
I think this is gonna be perfect with it because it has a little kick. If you look at the legs, I mean, it's got some nice legs on it too. I wish you could get that on camera. It's got some nice legs on it. I don't know, it's really good. I'm not a fan of red blends. I'm a fan of this red blend. This is good, guys. Okay, so we have become friends with Thin Vine Wine. We love them. They are out of San Diego, but this is very, very yummy. I 100% suggest that you get a bottle of this and use code CookingCop to get a discount.
That's me, babe.
I know, that's you. Okay, babe, I have 8 cloves of garlic in my Ninja Foodie.
Ninja Foodie processor thing.
Yes, my Ninja Foodie, it's not a Ninja Foodie.
And the rice is ricey.
Food processor. Check the link below. Josh got this. This is like the first cooking item he got for me. All I ever get are food items, food cooking things, but I love them. I love you. Okay. Let's do it. Literally 10 seconds, quick, easy. It's way better than chopping and stinking like garlic. We're all good to go. Look at that. There's our garlic. We're going to get our meat ready. We have our pound of ground beef. We're gonna put our garlic in.
Your 8 cloves.
8 giant cloves of garlic. This is gonna be phenomenal. Okay, garlic.
Black pepper.
Oh yeah, black pepper, sorry.
Maybe you should throw some salt in there too.
And salt. Ready? A little salt. Oh, they're really gonna stink. My hands are gonna reek.
Oh, yeah, babe. I know how much you love touching raw meat.
But do you? Do you? Okay, we want to get it nice and mixed up in there before we throw it on our Blackstone. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of water. Bing. A 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can do less sodium, like we have. You can do regular sodium, whatever your little heart desires. And drink thin vine wine. Okay, a 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar. Okay. All right, 2 tablespoons of garlic chili garlic sauce. Check out the link to our Valentine's date where we went to the Hoi Fong factory. You know, we always have to put
that's 2.5 tablespoons, babe.
Well, you know. All right, and to thicken this sauce up, we're gonna do, that's like fingernails down a chalkboard for me.
What is?
Touching cornstarch.
What?
It's like fingernails down a chalkboard. Okay.
1 teaspoon cornstarch.
Teaspoon of cornstarch. Like putting it in there sounds like fingernails going down a chalkboard.
Babe.
Little pepper. Okay, let's mix it up. Be mixed until all your sugar is dissolved and all your cornstarch. This looks pretty tasty.
Okay, so we got our beef mixture. We got our magic sauce mixture. Now all babe has to do is cut the green onions.
So I washed our organic green onions and we're gonna cut them in about 1.5 to 2 inch pieces. Just about like that, okay? And we're gonna go all the way up to about there. You can take these, you can turn it into whatever you want. Don't throw that away. That's good stuff.
You guys could use a wok, a cast iron, whatever you want. Today we're gonna be using the Blackstone 22-inch flat top griddle, which is on medium heat right now. It's warming up. It's a really nice day out here, huh, babe?
Yeah, it is.
Are you ready to cook? You gotta save some for the pairing because the sweetness of that blend and this spicy is gonna be super good.
Let's lay down a little oil. We're using avocado oil. It's really good because it gets to a high temperature and our Blackstone gets very hot. So you want an oil that will work with that. Let's lay our meat down. Do you think our neighbors can smell us?
The garlic and the black pepper and that is gonna be really, really good. And so basically you're trying to cook all the moisture out of that and get it all ready.
So in this recipe, you're supposed to use a Chinese wine or a dry sherry cooking wine. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use our wine with this. I'm gonna do about 2 teaspoons, not too much. And there we are. It's just gonna add a little extra flavor. There you go.
So say now the ground beef's cooked.
Okay, ground beef is cooked. We're gonna add in our sauce. Are you ready? Oh, I'm so excited.
Babe, that smells so good.
Okay, babe, let's add some green onions. We're gonna keep it moving because there's sugar in there. You don't want to let it sit for too long, otherwise it's gonna stick.
What do you think, babe?
I think this smells like we are at Mongolian barbecue and we're just at home. Are you ready to plate this up?
Yeah.
It smells so good.
I'm just gonna bring this inside for the rice.
The rice is in the rice cooker. Okay, I'm gonna add a little extra magic to this. I'm gonna add a fried egg. I have my little egg ring. We'll let that cook for a second. That's gonna add like the cherry on top.
Okay, so you're making that a fried egg. Let's put a little. Oh, yes, babe. I don't know, guys. That smells pretty freaking radical.
Here's how we're gonna build it. Okay, I have my rice. And we're gonna share this, so this is gonna be a big bowl. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna take my mix here. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Oh, this smells phenomenal. You're gonna love this, babe. I'm gonna put my fried egg on there to top it off. Do we have sriracha?
Of course.
Yes, let's do sriracha. Okay. And I'm gonna lay some sriracha down. And we're gonna take our thumbnail pick.
Okay, babe. This is the bowl that you. What? I see you.
It's so good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's give this a go.
Let's give this a go. Let's give this a go, boys and girls. I feel like this is a proper time that we should talk about your merch, babe. Look at this design. Look at this design. Look at this design. Babe's merch, link below. Support Babe. Okay. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Let's look at the bite, babe.
Okay, I got egg, rice, sriracha, green onion, beef.
We're eating good tonight.
Babe, we make some good dishes and I love barbecue, but Asian food is my favorite. Okay? All different flavors. This is Korean. This is phenomenal. Just try it. Because we were trying to find something to make with ground beef. And, you know, there isn't much. This right here will blow your mind.
That's a gem.
Babe, is it not phenomenal?
That was really good, babe.
Okay. Phenomenal.
Ooh.
Spicy.
I like it because it's spicy, but
Yep.
the flavors are so good.
Yeah, babe.
I like the California blend because it's a little bit sweeter, and then that is really, really spicy from the sriracha.
Add the egg onto it. Make this when you're sick of using ground beef for burgers or spaghetti. Make this.
Yeah, babe.
It is so good. Thank you for watching, like always. Check out our merch. We've got some good designs, and I'm really proud of them. So, teespring.com. Link is below or above?
Below, babe.
Below.
Below. Link below.
The link above is going to be for our Sriracha Factory Valentine's Date.
Right.
Check them both out.
Right. And there's a link below for the wine company. Use code CookingCop. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome. Thanks, you guys, for watching. We appreciate you as always, and see you next time.